Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. So today I'm creating this dramatic look, and here is the look. So let's get down to the video. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. So today I'm creating this look over here, and so I'm going to start very fast. First, I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm priming my eyes using my concealer. This concealer is a quite a bright shade. There it is, and I'm using this Kylie brush. So I'm going to ensure I prime the whole part, because if you don't prime your eyes, that means your eyeshadow will not stay in place. So it is very important to prime your eyes. Yes. Now I'm going to get into the eyeshadow, and first I'm using this dark blue shade. I'm using the dark blue shade, and I'm going to use it on the outer part of my crease. There you go. I'm just using light strokes. When you're going into your crease, you don't hold your brush so tightly. You just need to just give the strokes so lightly, so that your eyeshadow can have positive results. So guys, now I'm going to go in with my purple shade. This purple shade I'm going to touch on the part above my crease, and also on the lower part of my crease. There you have it. I want to use these bright colors so that this eyeshadow can look as dramatic as possible. This is the look that you can have when maybe you're going for a nightclub, maybe you're going out with your girlfriend, maybe you're going to have some good time. This is the kind of look that you need to put on. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to blend up, and now the next thing I'm going to do is to clean up my lid. I want to always remind you that the lid is the most important part of your eye. So I'm going to clean it up with my concealer. This is the brightest shade of the concealer that I have, and I'm going to make sure that I clean and I cut crease my lid properly. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to put on my foundation, and I use the Kiss Beauty foundation because this foundation gives me full coverage. Actually, it is my best foundation, and this is the foundation that I would die for. So next I'm going in with my concealer. This is the Pro Concealer with the shade Final Love, and I'm going with it under my eyes, just like that, on my nose bridge, on my chin, and also on my forehead. So guys, let me just close up the concealer because it has come off in excess. So I'm going to blend using my Damn Beauty blender. Yes. So guys, now I'm going to contour, and I'm using a shade that is my one shade after my own skin tone, because when you use a shade that is way darker than your own skin tone, it's definitely going to give you problems. So you need a shade that is just next to your own skin tone. There you have it, guys. I'm trying to contour my nose so that it can look smaller. So I'm going to pick up that brush, my contour brush, and I'm going to blend in up everything. Yeah, you can see it has created a beautiful, beautiful bridge. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to hold up my mouth and contour the lower part of my cheeks. There you have it. It is advisable to hold your mouth when you're contouring so that you can see the parts that you're contouring clearly, because this is the specific part that you need to contour. If you contour anything higher or lower than that, of course your contour will look a bit or will look bad. There you have it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to highlight, and I'm using the Kiss Beauty highlighter. I don't know what's up with me with Kiss Beauty products, but so far they are the best products that I've used. And I'm going to highlight my nose bridge. There you go. And also my cheeks, and it's advisable you just smile a little bit to contour your cheekbones so that you can see where your cheekbones are. And smiling wouldn't cost you a thing. Actually, let smiling be your day-to-day thing. So there you go. So guys, I'm trying to blend up my highlight and my nose, and I think it is just perfect now. Yes, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the front part of my eye so that my eyeshadow can pop. Yeah, it is very important because the top part, the front part of your eye is very conspicuous. So when you highlight that part, then it catches the attention. And then I'm going to use my lip balm, and this lip balm has some color, and actually I love it. This lip balm, I can make all the videos using this lip balm, guys. So yeah, I can die for this lip balm. Yes. Oh wow, I'm loving the way this look is coming out. It's coming out so clearly and so beautifully. Yes. So I'm going to take my Kiss Beauty highlighter again and highlight the tip or the top of my upper the top of my upper lip. Hey, there you go, guys. There's my look.